Response from the President's office and the Prime Minister's office and NAC does indicate that all of them were apprised of these allegations, and yet no action has been initiated till date against Professor Datta Gupta.
You're asking me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I did write to the Chancellor of Vishwa Bharati.
Yeah.
And I think a copy of it went to the visitor of Vishwa Bharati. And the concern I felt, the reason I wrote, I think you should know of it. The appointment of Vice Chancellorship, Professor Datta Gupta's appointment, or the current Padma Shri award. These are not the only things involved in the situation. What you should know is, I know this because I was in Shanti Niketan. The Vice Chancellor is also the Acharya. The Vice Chancellor is the Acharya in the Glass Temple of All Faiths and in the Chatimtala, the holy tree under which Maharishi Devendranath Tagore got enlightenment.
Absolutely.
Now, if there is a case pending about sexual harassment, then the proper thing to do is not to appoint that person to a high administrative position.
Absolutely.
That is
absolutely
understood, and this was done by Kapil Sibal Sahab when he was Science and Technology Minister. So I don't quite understand when Mr. Sibal was HRD Minister, why he did not take into consideration this fact that the person being appointed would be delivering spiritual sermons to a lot of people, including our school students in Patho Bhavan and in Sriniketan.
All right.
A person need not be holy to give a spiritual instruction, but a person against whom very serious ethical charges are pending, I think it is not proper that while the case
that is the question that we are also asking on headlines today, whether this could have been avoided, this faux pas by the government could have been avoided when the Padma Shri awards, the highest civilian honor, the person who is getting it should be above suspicion, above board. I would at this point like to thank all our guests, Dr. Sanjeev Bagai from Delhi, also Abha Singh from Mumbai, and Professor Roy from Kolkata for joining us on this debate. We will keep a close eye on the controversy that has gone in. In fact, we tried to speak to Kapil Sibal in the morning today, but as you saw on the visuals there, he refused to speak on this controversy.